Hi everyone and welcome to Module 3. Module 3, we're going to be covering expressions that relates to calculations, so you'll be coding calculations, and we'll be dealing with interactivity, which is working with users and with user input. So I just wanted to walk through what you have available to you in the Module 3 section of Brightspace. So as usual, you've got your assignments, discussions, the project information, and then the quiz. So for the assignment, I just wanted to make you aware of one thing. Since it's my original due date for assignment 3A was Friday, October 3rd, and that feels like such a quick turnaround, so I extended it to Monday, October 6th. I haven't yet updated the calendar, but I will do so shortly and put that out in Brightspace as well. And then assignment 3B, I just went ahead and made that available to you. That one's due Friday, October 10th. So I want to go through and just show you a couple of things. So you should be able to enter into each of your activities by going through the dashboard. So here is assignment 3A and assignment 3B. And if I just click on assignment 3A, so it's important that you go through each of the readings and then the section quizzes. Coding is much like math. Each topic builds on the last, so it's really difficult to catch up if you fall behind. So I would encourage you to stay on top of your reading, stay on top of these quiz questions, and if you have any troubles with these quiz questions, please reach out to me. But you'll see that Chapter 3A's assignment takes you through section 3.6. And as I was saying before, it's really important that you go through the dashboard through to the assignment. I know that you'll want to probably reference your entire book at some point, and that's under resources for me, open the book. I assume yours is similar. Right, so you can get in and take a look at the entire book that way, but to complete the activity, you'll need to go through the dashboard and then the individual links for the assignments. Okay, so going back to Brightspace, that was assignments. Discussion, you have one discussion that is due on Friday, October 10th. The project I will post no later than Monday, October 6th, so you'll have an assignment again similar to the last. And then finally the quiz, I wanted to make you aware of the review material that you have. That's in this subfolder right here. And there's a review document, so that's nothing more than just a list of topics that summarizes the chapter. You do have some practice questions as a separate Word document that you'll have to download. You actually get a preview inside of Brightspace, but then the last question, you'll need a file to complete that, so I want to show you what you have available to you. So I put the code right here in Brightspace, so all you need to do is highlight it and then right click anywhere in the blue here and choose copy. So you can copy this and then paste it into whatever compiler you're using. So if you're using Dev C++ or Replit, whichever one is convenient for you and that you've been using. And then finally you have the solution. So this will give yourself some time to do the review before you take the quiz. Let's see, there was one thing I did forget to mention on the assignment. If you click on one of these links, I usually give a little more information if I find the questions to be a little confusing. So there is a little bit of information in the for the assignment 3A. Okay, and I think that covers it. As I said, I'm going to update that calendar with the change of date on assignment 3A, but do contact me if you run into any issues or have any questions.